Hello everyone, Mark Houlihan here with Speedway Motors. We're at the 2021 Performance Racing Industry Show, and we stopped by to see our good friends at FiTech Fuel Injection. I have Jeremy Schmidt here with me. Jeremy, tell us a little bit about FiTech.
So FiTech, we started with under $1,000 throttle body EFI system.
Okay.
That exploded the market. We've expanded now to LSs and in the racing industry.
Gotcha.
But you know, it's been a rocket ship that we're holding on to, that we're going everywhere we possibly can that is for the mass markets that we can hit. But it's been a really fun ride.
Awesome, great. I mean, you go to a lot of events and you see these cars that, you know, they look like they're traditional old school muscle cars with the round air cleaner and carbureted, but if you take a little peek, you see that throttle body EFI under there with the FiTech logo, right?
Yeah, we can go around car shows and just kind of like look around every single car and we're like, hey, you know what? You know, that's us, that's us.
So, you know, PRI, it's all about performance parts, racing. You know, we carry everything from your basic throttle body all the way up to your 1,000 horsepower LS systems, your trans controllers, all that stuff. What's new with FiTech? What did you bring to the show?
For PRI in particular, we have the Nemesis.
Wow.
The Nemesis is for your really big power engines. It's got a lot of airflow, a lot of features. It's going to do 1,500 horsepower plus, and that's pretty big. We've also got our big block Ultra Ram. Big block Ultra Ram can handle, you know, basically your short deck big blocks. It's going to handle 800 horsepower. We have 1,000 horsepower LS, which is going to let you do a lot of boost on an LS, which is very common these days.
Yep.
We have Ford AODE transmission control, which lets you do your small block forwards in classic cars.
Gotcha.
TPI engines actually making a big comeback. So, TPI engines kind of limited you on what kind of computer you can use to make it run and drive. There's a lot of people that still have TPI, and
those third-gen Camaro fans, they want to get those cars running again.
Well, those motors were swapped into everything and anything in the day.
Back in the day, yeah.
Yeah, so I mean, they're still out there. A lot of people want to make them run better, and this lets you do it. So other than that, we have a one-gauge system that's got digital dash, push-button control, a lot of accessories added into it, but that's beautiful.
Now, the new dash, is that going to be vehicle specific, like trim bezels, or like a universal LCD panel right now?
With the trim bezels, we're going to have a few options available, but also it's a standard size. So you can have either a custom dash made, or just try to
break out the Dremel, a little fabrication, never hurt anybody, right?
A little hot rodding.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it's all been about. So, what's happening with FiTech coming up 2022? We're almost at the end of the year here. Got any new products on the drawing boards you can talk about? You know, any events you're going to be at, anything like that?
Well, we're going to do a lot of good guy shows.
Okay. Yeah.
So if you have a car that you want test and tuned, we'll be at the West Coast side for a lot of those shows, even maybe Ohio for the summer show.
Okay.
What else we got? We got, the big shows coming on. Mm-hmm. But as far as new products, a lot of this year is going to be making everything perfect.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we've got a new external relay box for the ECUs. So that relay box will let you change fuses and relays in a isolated position on the car. Okay,
so if you have the controller buried somewhere, you can place that somewhere a little more accessible.
Right, well, on the throttle bodies, it's built into the throttle body.
Correct, yeah.
So you got a computer built in. You can put your relays somewhere on, say, a firewall or in a fender well. But that'll let you service it. In the past, you'd had to service the ECU. So we're going for serviceability with a few just components.
Gotcha, okay. Very good.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's all we've got here at FiTech for the Performance Racing Industry Show. You can find all the FiTech brand parts at speedwaymotors.com.